READi means experimental research applied in interaction design. It's the first design lab created by l'École de Design in 2010. We welcome about 100 students and we make some program related to what we call globally digital culture. We are in charge of 3 master degree programs. One is tangible interfaces, dealing with all the questions related to connected objects and new meanings of interactions. We also deal with design and virtual reality. This is a double diploma made in partnerships with School of Engineering called Arts et Métiers Paris Tech. Our last master program is information design, and it deals with all the questions related to visualizing information, big data, and all the questions about data design services.
I was always really interested by robotics, things like this, but I didn't want to do engineer because it was too much technique for me, and I didn't want to lose the creativity process. Interaction design for me is really great because it's like art with technology and usage.
We have a lot of partnership with a large variety of size and style. Official or cultural institutions, industrial or banking companies. We develop workshops and seminars in partnership with these companies. The students always work on concrete professional example. An example of workshop we mixed during 2 days students and company employees. For students, the objective is to improve their capacity to manage a meeting in a professional situation. For a company, the objective is to confront their product or idea to the vision of young designer.
With tangible interfaces, the inner object becomes alive. The augmented object allows new functionalities and can stock information and emotions. An example carried out with students is an insect hotel. The objective was to make the public more aware of insects within the city, to quantify the insect's volume and to show biodiversity.
I decided to work on this master degree because I'm really interested about new way of interact with technologies, going outside the screen and create a new interaction with numérique and digital tools.
With virtual reality, we try to develop new models of immersion with a virtual reality environment or interaction with augmented reality. A good example of a student's project is a collaborative project based around the Jules Verne universe. We wanted to offer users an immersive discovery with virtual reality. The project was presented at Nantes Digital Week and the Laval Virtual Show, and has been really successful.
The students in the information design program work with data as a raw material in first hand, and they explore it. They try to assure its legibility and to transform it by this into information. Once it's information, it can create momentum and it can create short or long-term adherence. Finally, it's all about creating insight and enabling the user to make decisions.
I really appreciate to work on professional projects on the digital culture with the professional companies. And I think it will be very helpful for me when I look for a job, because now I know what our company's expectation.
When they graduate, our students come to work for various major companies as, for instance, Google, or for Pinterest, or also for Ubisoft. They work as a UX or UI or also service designer. Some of them create their own startup or companies, and they work on the connected object or also on information visualizing subjects and all the stuff that we approach at READi Design Lab.